Hello students, good day. Welcome to Advocate Bapusaheb Bonde High School, Lonavala. Myself, Poonam Gupta, your second standard teacher. Today we will learn the subject English 2, that is English grammar. We will take lesson number 11, pronouns, from this textbook Learner English Grammar. Children, we have learnt about the naming word, that is noun, in our previous video of English and English grammar. Now you know children, noun include name of place, name of people, name of thing or animals that we read, speak or write about. And these all are common noun: boy, girl, farm, city, cat, car. Children, you have also learned that proper noun gives you a more specific image when you speak or write about. Like here, when you use the name Yash and Rita instead of girl or boy, it can create an image of a specific person whose name is Yash and Rita. Like that, instead of farm or city, I can use the name Royal Farm or Mumbai. So it can give you the specific picture in your mind. Like that, we have a pussycat or a car, BMW car, means the noun and the common noun or proper noun. It's very important because it can give you an image when we read or speak or write about. Now children, we will read about a girl called Reena. Now let's read this paragraph, children. Reena is a beautiful girl. Reena is studying in second standard. Reena lives in Lonavala. Painting and dancing are Reena's hobbies. Children, this paragraph is telling about a girl, Reena. Does it sound good to your ears? I suppose no, because we are using the word Reena again and again. Children, now I change this paragraph by using some words. Now let's read it again. Reena is a beautiful girl. She is studying in second standard. She lives in Lonavala. Painting and dancing are her hobbies. Now children, it is sound nice? Yes. As we have replaced the word Reena with the word she and her. So children, here she and her are pronouns. So tell me children, with this para, what did you understand about pronouns? Let us see. Tell me children, what do you mean by pronouns? The words that we use in place of nouns are called pronouns. The words are I, he, she, it, we, they, you. These are some pronoun words. Pronoun can be used at the place of common noun or proper noun, or it can make your sentence easy to understand without any confusion, like we have done in our previous para. There are many pronouns that we used in our day-to-day life. Like here, she is telling about herself that I don't know where it is. You are in trouble. We can play. They are lucky. We need to ask her about it. You can do it. So children, we are using the different pronouns here. We, they, I, it, her, it, you, it. So why we are using that and how we can use these pronouns in a different way. Now let us see where to use this pronoun and how to use that. The first pronoun word is I. I means I, the word is used for myself. When you are talking about yourself, then we are using the word or pronoun I. Like here, she is telling about herself to us. So, how she would say? Let us see. I am Anu. I like to play with dolls. Yes, she is talking about herself. So, we have to use the pronoun word I. When we have to speak about ourselves, we use the I pronoun. The next pronoun is she. So, where to use she pronoun? Yes, she is used for girls and women. When we are talking about a girl, so we should use the pronoun she. Let us see example here. The boy talking about a girl. About a girl means she is not talking to her. She is talking about her. So how did he say? She is a girl and her name is Ria. Means he is telling to someone else that she is a girl and her name is Ria. Like that, we have some more example. Here, we are talking about a doctor who is a girl. So, how would we say that? She is a doctor, because we know that she is a girl. Here, she is Julie, means her name is Julie. We are telling to someone that she is a Julie. The next pronoun is he. He is used for boy and a man. Means when you are using the word pronoun he for boy or a man. Like here we have one example. The girl is talking about a boy. She is talking about a boy. She is not talking to the boy. So how she would say? He is a boy and his name is Yash. He is talking about this boy, so she is talking about the boy and she is using the pronoun he for him. Like that, when a girl is talking about a father to us, what she is saying? He is my father. The father is a man, so we can use the pronoun word he. He is a singular. We have to use the pronoun he and she with a singular pronoun. He is a clown. The clown is a boy. So we can use the word he. Here the next pronoun is it. It is used for animals and things. Things like car, chair, table and all. Here one thing is given. So how to make a sentence? It is a bed. So we are talking about the bed. So we are using the pronoun it. Next, here we are talking about a squirrel. So we can use the word or pronoun it. It is a squirrel. The next pronoun word is they, they. Is used when we are talking about other people. We are talking about other people, animal or things. Means if you have more than one person, then we have to use the pronoun word they. When we are showing them that they are like this, it is a this they pronoun is used for the plural noun. Here the boy is talking about the group of people who are playing. So he can use the word they. Like they are my friends. Here he is talking about these all people. So how he would say they are my friends. He is using the they pronoun for all of them. Like this, one more example. They live in Jaipur. Means he is talking about all of them that they are living in Jaipur. Children, here we have the example of the they pronoun. Here a girl and a boy are playing. So how we can say this sentence? They are playing. Means we are talking about both people who are playing. Means this is a plural pronoun. Means if we have more than one person, then we have to use the word they to show them or to recognize them that they are playing. Here some monkeys are playing. And how to show them? They are having fun. Means we are talking to someone else to show them that they are having a fun. Like that. Here we have we pronoun. We is used when I am talking about myself along with others. Means the pronoun we can use for the group of people and we are along with them. Means if in this group of children we are included, then we should say the word or we should use the word pronoun we. Like here, I am included in this group. So, how would we say that? We are friends. Or we will go to park today. Means if you are included in this group and you are talking about that group, so we have to use the pronoun word we. Or this pronoun word we have to use when we have more than one people. Means we can use for the plural pronoun. Like here we have more than one people. This is Meera and I. Means I am along with her. So how would we say that? We are friends. Meera is also saying that we are friends and I also. Means we are more than people and I am is also along with her. So I would use the pronoun we. We are friends. Here this is Joe. This is Joe and I. We are both love ice cream. Means I am talking about we both. We is used for the plural pronoun or noun. Here the next pronoun is you. You is used when we are talking to someone in front of us. Means you is used when you're talking to someone else who is in front of you. Like here, a boy is talking to a girl who is in front of him. What did he say? Where are you going? So he is talking to her by using the word pronoun you. Means he is directly talking to her. So he is using the word pronoun you for the girl. We will take one more example here. A boy is directly talking to other boy and saying he's talking to him. So how would he say that? You are my best friend. Here this boy is directly talking to him. He is not talking to someone else. So he can use the word pronoun you. Like that. Here we have a football team with their coach. The coach saying that it is an important game. You must play as a team. Children, can you observe something? The coach is using the word pronoun you for the whole team. Yes, here the whole team is considered as you. You can be used for both singular and plural pronoun. Means if you are talking to one person, then you can use the word pronoun. And also if you are talking to a group of people, so you can also use the word pronoun you, like we have done in this example. Now we will recall or revise what we have done in our video. Here one person is talking about himself. So which pronoun he will use? He will use I for himself. Means it's a singular pronoun. Like that. Here you. The boy is talking to a girl directly. So which pronoun he will use? You. You are a girl. You come with me. Like this. Means here you work as a singular pronoun. Here the pronoun he. The father or mother, he is talking about the boy. Boy is a, so when we are using a pronoun for a one boy, so we can use the pronoun he. They both are not talking to him. They are showing us that he is a boy. Like that, here also, when a boy or a girl is showing to someone, one girl, and they are showing to someone else, they are not talking to her. So they will use the pronoun she, that she is a girl. Like that, here we have the pronoun we. So when we should use the pronoun we? Yes, when we are talking about more than one person and we are along with them. Means in this group, if we are along with them, then we will talk we. Like here, we can use the pronoun you for more than one people to talk. That please you all be in queue. Like this. This boy is talking to all the people in front of them. So he can use the word pronoun you. He is directly talking to all the people. So he can use the word pronoun you. Means you can use for a singular noun and for plural noun also. Here the pronoun they. They is used for if you are showing them more than one people. Then or you are talking about more than one people, then you should use the word pronoun they. So from this, what can you understand? Yes, I, you, he, she, these pronouns are singular pronoun. We are using for a single person or a thing or animal. And we, you and they are used for a plural pronoun, means more than one place, animal or thing. Now children, we will take one exercise to understand this. Here, the exercise is write I, he, she, it, they or you in the brackets or blanks. Let us take one, the first one. Here the girl is showing them more than one people. So dash are my toys. It is toys and they are more than one. So how would she say that? More than one means we have to use the plural pronoun. They, we, you. From that, which will suit here? Let us see. We are my toys. Is it sound good? No. We means if she is included in this toy, then she would say that we. So, how she can say that? Here, they. They are my toys. They are showing them. So she can use the pronoun they for this all toys. Like this. Here, dash are a teacher. A teacher means she is showing a teacher. A one teacher means we have to use the singular pronoun here. Like I, she or he. Let us see which will suit here. Dash are teacher. Are, when we use are with he, we are not using are. So, what will come here? You. With you, you can use the word are or a helping verb are. You are a teacher means this girl is showing a teacher that telling directly to a teacher that you are a teacher. When we got this word are, we can use the word you. You is a singular pronoun also and plural pronoun. Like this, we have the third example here. Here the girl is talking or directly talking to a girl or she is showing that. With the help of this helping verb, we can understood that she is using the singular pronoun. Is used for singular pronoun and are is used for plural pronoun. So, here is a one woman. So, she would say that she is my mother. She is showing that she is not talking to her. She is talking to someone else. That she is my mother. Here, dash is a cupboard. For cupboard, cupboard is a thing. So, which pronoun we will use? It. The girl is showing that it is a cupboard. Here, dash am a girl means she is talking about herself. Am. When we will use am with the word I. So, we can use the pronoun I here. I am a girl. Next, here we have one more exercise. Write your answer in the comment section below. Here we have one more example. Write he, she, it, they, you or we in the blanks. The first one is dash is a boy. A boy means it is one boy. So, we can use the singular pronoun like, and for boy, which pronoun is used? Which singular pronoun? Yes, he. Now let's read it again. He is a boy. Next, dash is a nurse. Here also, a nurse means there is only one nurse. So, nurse is a woman or a girl. So, for woman singular, which pronoun it will be used? Yes, she. So, we will use pronoun she here. She is a nurse. Next, this is a pencil. Dash is a pencil. So, for pencil, pencil is a thing. So, which pronoun it will be used? It. It is a pencil. Like that, we have one more example. Dash are Riya. Dash are Riya. We are using are. They have used the helping verb are here. So, for plural pronoun, we can use the helping verb are. So, we have to use the plural pronoun like they, you or we. So, which will be suited here? She is talking to a girl. So, they will not come. They and we are plural pronoun. But they are not, she is not more than one. So, here you will suit here. She is talking to a girl directly. You are Riya. Like that. We have fifth one. Dash are friends. Here we have more than one people. So we can use the plural pronoun like they, you or we. Which pronoun will suit here? Dash are friends. So it will be they are friends or it can be we are friends. Both are right here. If I is included here, then we can also write we are friends. And if I am not included here in the group of these people, so I will say they are friends here. Now children, we have understood that singular pronoun I, he, she, it, they are all singular pronoun and they, we are plural pronouns. Then we can use this pronoun with the plural nouns and these all we can use with the singular nouns. and you and you. You can be used for singular pronoun also and for plural noun also. I hope children you understood this concept of pronoun. We will meet you in the next video for the continuing part of the pronoun and exercise. Be practice at home. Thank you. Like, share and subscribe our channel.